Here are your answers. First one, 12 x to the fourth y, subtract 6 x cubed y squared, plus 14 x squared y cubed. The second one, 3x squared minus 19x minus 40. The third one, x squared minus 8x plus 16. If you disagree with any of these answers, be sure to check with someone in the math science lab. Now let's look at the general case. Let's multiply x plus 2 by x squared plus 2x plus 3. Now by applying the distributive property twice, I can go through and multiply x by all three terms. Then I can multiply 2 by all three terms. So I can multiply x times x squared. I can multiply x times the 2x. And I can multiply the x times the 3. So I multiplied x by the x squared, x by the 2x, then x by the 3. Now I can multiply 2 by all three terms. 2 times the x squared, 2 times the 2x, and 2 times the 3. Which gives me x cubed. X times x squared is x cubed, plus 2x squared. X times x is x squared, and I've got the 2. Plus x times 3 is the same as 3x. Plus the 2x squared. Plus 2 times 2x will be 4x. Plus 2 times 3 is 6. Combining like terms, I get x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x plus 6. Let's look at another example. Let's multiply 4x squared minus 3xy plus 2y squared by x minus 2y. I multiply the 4x squared by both of these terms, the 3xy by both of these terms, and the 2y squared by both of these terms. In other words, you multiply everybody by everybody. So I can multiply the 4x squared times the x plus the 4x squared times the negative 2y. I'm multiplying the 4x squared by the x, the 4x squared by the negative 2y. Plus, I'm going to multiply the negative 3xy by the x. Then I'm going to multiply the negative 3xy by the negative 2y. Then I'm going to multiply the 2y squared by the x. and the 2y squared by the negative 2y. So I multiplied the 4x squared by the x, the 4x squared by the negative 2y, the negative 3xy by the x, the negative 3xy by the negative 2y, the 2y squared by the x, the 2y squared by the negative 2y. 4x squared times x is 4x cubed. 4x squared times a negative 2y is a negative 8x squared y. A negative 3xy times x is a negative 3x squared y. A negative times a negative is positive, so 3xy times a negative 2y is a positive 6x y squared. 2y squared times x would just be 2x y squared. And 2y squared times a negative 2y is a negative 4y cubed. Now you can check yourself to make sure you have the right number of terms. This polynomial has 3 terms. This polynomial has 2 terms. So when I get through multiplying, I should have 3 times 2, or 6 terms. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Now we need to combine like terms. I have 4x cubed. I have 2 terms involving x squared y. A negative 8 plus a negative 3 is a negative 11 x squared y. I have 6xy squared and a positive 2xy squared, so that's going to leave me with 8xy squared. And I only have one y cubed term, so it would be a minus 4y cubed. Whereas the last step is just combining like terms.